Ruddy from Yale University. I play outfield, and I am from Sparta, New Jersey.
My name is Marlon Mitchell. I'm from Washington, D.C. I play catcher, and my college is Marymount University in Arlington, Virginia.
Grayland Fowler, second base, Spartanburg, South Carolina, USC Aiken.
Christopher Carroll, right-handed pitcher from Hendersonville, Tennessee, and I go to Belmont University.
My favorite MLB team is the New York Mets.
I'm a Washington Nationals fan.
Atlanta Braves.
The New York Yankees.
And my favorite player is Juan Lagares.
My favorite player of all time, I would say, is Bo Jackson.
Brandon Phillips.
Mariano, bro.
Cereal? Favorite cereal is probably Fruit Loops.
Favorite cereal is probably French Toast Crunch.
Apple Jacks.
French Toast Crunch.
Favorite movie have to be probably Lion King.
My favorite movie is Fifth Element.
Did you see Fourth Element?
Transformers. The whole series.
Sandlot.
Party in the USA, Miley Cyrus.
My favorite song of all time, I would have to say Good Friday by Kanye West.
ASAP Rocky, Back to the Future.
Ride.
By who?
21 Pilots.
Best baseball memory is probably a post-game speech from Doug Reamer. A lot of energy, very motivational.
My best baseball memory is my championship game in high school. I had a double off the wall in Nats Park.
When I hit 2 home runs back-to-back in Little League.
Best baseball memory is probably playing in Nicaragua on a mission trip.
That's the first, by the way.
Probably Ariel.
My favorite Disney princess is probably I gotta say Elsa.
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 Okay.
Cinderella.
Gonna have to go with Belle or the Little Mermaid.
You gotta pick one.
Probably Belle.
Coach Marcus Johnson.
Maybe T-Boat. Coach Freeman.
It's hard to choose one.
You've got 2 Belmont players on the team.
Yeah, they're not my face.
You gotta pick one though.
Matt Mervis.
You did?
Probably have a day job, which glad I'm not doing. Hopefully I can put that off as long as I possibly could.
Probably would be cutting grass or probably becoming a firefighter or something.
Riding dirt bikes and motorcycles.
Thank you very much.
Be working on the lake.
Probably a Liger.
It's the old Liger, yes.
I'll be a Jaguar.
A wolf.
Silverback gorilla.
I'm currently reading Unbroken. It's a book about Louis Zamperini.
He just died, you know.
Yeah, I did hear that.
Yeah, so that tells you something.
Yeah.
I'm going to blow it for you.
I'm not currently reading a book right now.
None.
Don't tell your mom.
The Bible.
Who's that by?
A lot of people.
A lot of people. Oh, just one person.